To Catherina Benson of TU University Dublin, who has threatened me with legal action in relation for whistleblowing TU law lecturer Ruth Cannon's perjury and fraud. Some corrections and responses to your hasty, legally threatening email. Point 1. Catherina Benson. Contrary to your email, I did not contact TU Law Lecturer Ruth Cannon. I emailed the staff at TU Dublin and the TU Dublin Student Union. You will likely need to correct that for your High Court filing. Point 2, Catherina Benson. Prior to the sending of your email, you probably should have reviewed the evidence. Due diligence will save you and could have saved you a lot of problems. Point 3, Catherina Benson. I have tagged in the TU Student Union representatives again. Additionally, I have attached video of members of An Garda Síochána from Kevin Street, an Irish town, torturing me, a non-binary disabled person, to a point of spine damage. You can hear me scream. Do you like that, Catherina Benson? Do you like being attached to torture of disabled people, which was explicitly enacted to try and obstruct legal proceedings and access to justice, and that this is evidenced by Irish Personal Injuries Board, or PIAB, timeline paperwork and phone recordings. Point 4. Obviously, if in the videos I referenced medical records that evidence other points of police or Gardaí torture, your response, Catherina Benson, sounds callous and out of touch. However, Catherina Benson, you have doubled down. So, let's go. Point 5. Further to that, judging by your rushed response, where you appear to have panicked, and as such made TU Dublin perhaps look, at best, questionable, I will shortly post the conversations with your faculty. Point 6. Perhaps, before threatening me with legal action, it cannot win, TU Dublin would probably be wiser, consult its law team to request the DAR and other evidence of your law lecturer Ruth Cannon's criminal actions and abuse than it would be to immediately stand by this abuser. However, you, Catherina Benson, do you. Point 7. You may take proceedings. TU Dublin University can take legal proceedings, as has been fraudulently threatened before, and we will review TU law lecturer Ruth Cannon's use of her TU position and TU email to gain my confidence so she could abuse me. You clearly did not listen to the full series before you wrote this hasty email as a representative of TU Dublin University. Point 8. Again, for clarity, Catherina Benson, please do not falsify any further correspondence with me related to false accusations of contact with Ruth Cannon. You have the full email list in the email. That was unprofessional. Point 9. TU University can file and query my direct statements of abuse, obstruction, and fraud, and I will respond. Beginning with Root Cannon's demands, I plead guilty to events that never happened, and aggressive hysterics about Irish Personal Injuries Assessment Board, or PIAB, filings due to her obstruction and fraud. Try me. I'm not playing. I want my life back, Catherina Benson. However, if you wish to stand in my way, you can take whatever professional shrapnel comes from this. Thank you for listening to the TU Law Lecturer Root Cannon Perjury and Fraud Archive. What follows next is audio of me being tortured that was captured by CCTV camera in the hallway. You can see the guard trying to block the camera to help obscure it. I was left with additional spine damage. This may be triggering for some people. Thank you for watching.